everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be creating a loader using HTML and bit of CSS. So this is what we will be creating. It goes up, it goes down. It's very nice. So you can get the source code in my GitHub. Link will be in the description. Okay guys, first I have created a folder. The folder's name is Spinner. Inside that folder, I have created two files, CSS and HTML. So let's start by HTML. First, I'm going to press Shift !Tab. Okay, and we are going to have a link our CSS. Link to CSS. Okay, it's style. My one is style, and it is also linked to style. I will give a document name of loader. Okay, loader, and we are going to create a div. The div is going to be div dot container. Okay, we are going to have a div class of container and enter. Inside that, we are going to have 18 divs. Okay, not a small amount of divs, 18 divs. Okay, so one is going to be div is going to be div dot blocks. Okay, so we enter. We are going to copy it 18 times. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 10 times. Now we have another 8 to go. Sorry, I forgot to copy. Enter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 18. So this is it for the HTML. Let's get started with the CSS. Excited, right? So now it looks basically an empty white page. And what we're going to do, we're going to style it with CSS. That's what we're going to do now. First, we are going to have a body. Body is going to be have a color of, maybe let's do the color is going to be navy blue. Background navy, yeah, it's going to be navy. That's it. Now we go enter, and next is going to be our container. So we dot, we go here, copy our container class, we paste it in the CSS, enter, and we are going to have a width and a height. Width and a height. Okay, the width is going to be maybe 80 pixels, and height is going to be maybe 100 pixels, around 100 pixels, yeah. And we are going to enter, and we are going to have margin. We are going to have two margins. One margin is normal margin, another margin is going to be top margin, margin top. Oh, so we're going to have margin of 100 auto, and the top margin is going to be calc 100 viewport. Okay, that's it here. Content is done. Now we are going to code our block element. Block selector, sorry. Blocks. Copy, paste the selector, enter, and we are going to have a position of relative. Position of relative, and we are going to have a box sizing of border box. That's box sizing. Box sizing is going to be border box, and we are going to have float of left. Sorry, not left. We are going to have float. Float left. Float. Already I got what I needed. Float left. In that we are going to have margin of 0, 10 pixels by 10 pixels by 0. Enter. We are going to have a height and a width. Each going to be 12. Height is going to be 12 pixels. Width also going to be 12 pixels. Okay. Enter. Width is going to be 12 pixels. 12 pixels. And we are going to have color. Color is going to be white. Background color. Or just a color. It's going to be white. Or whisk. Okay. Okay guys, now this is definitely it. Now let's go to our HTML. Everything is done. Now guys, we are going to see what we have done, and we will see how it looks like in the preview. Right click, show preview. You can see it working. Go to the browser. Done. This is what we created. It's a nice loading animation using only HTML and bit of CSS. Cool, huh? If you want to see more awesome videos, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Peace.